My today's tutorial are on this very cute amigurumi donut key rings, and these are really easy to make and quite fast too. These are just perfect gifts for your dear ones, and you can also make these for your business. Hi, I'm Shabori from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's begin. We will be making the base and the frosting, and both have got the same pattern. So I'm using a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. So at first we will take the yarn and make a slip knot, and then we will insert the hook in it. We will at first make 18 chains. Now the number of chains is based on the circular hole you want for your donut. I always try to keep a multiple of 6 for circles, so I made 18 chains. Now we will just close the circle. For that, without twisting the chains, we will insert the hook in the first chain and do a slip stitch there by drawing the yarn through the chains, and then after that we will be doing a chain 1. So the circle is ready. We will now begin the first round. So in the same chains we will do one single crochet stitch. Then in the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch, and in the following chain we will be doing 2 single crochet stitches. So this is the pattern. So in the next 2 chains we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those, and then we will do 2 single crochet in the following chain, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. Our first round is completed, so we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round, and after that we will do a chain 1. Now we will begin the second round. So we will do 1 single crochet stitch in the first single crochet stitch of the last round. In the next 2 stitches also we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we began this round with 3 single crochets, 1 in each of the first 3 stitches of the last round. In the following stitch we are doing an increase, that is 2 single crochet stitches, and this is going to be the pattern. That is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, and then in the fourth stitch we will be doing an increase, that is 2 single crochet stitches, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. At the end we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round, followed by a chain 1. We will begin the third round now. In the same stitch where we slip stitched, we will do a single crochet there. In the following 3 stitches also we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So the first 4 stitches we had 1 single crochet in each one of those. In the following stitch we will be having an increase, that is 2 single crochet stitches. We will repeat this pattern throughout this round, that is 1 single crochet in the following 4 stitches, and then in the next stitch 2 single crochets, and repeat. At the end we will do a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch and then chain 1. Now we will begin the fourth round. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and in the next 4 stitches also we will be having 1 single crochet in each one of those. And then in the next stitch we will be doing an increase, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. The written directions are present as subtitles on your screen. At the end of this round we will be doing a slip stitch followed by a chain 1. We will now begin the fifth round. So in the first 6 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. And then in the following stitch we will be doing an increase, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. And at the end we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round, followed by chain 1. Now we will begin the last round. So in this last round we are doing one single crochet in each of the stitches of the previous round. And we will just complete this round with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now the frosting as well as the base of the donut is ready. We will just join the two portions together. At first we will be stitching the inside circular portions symmetrically. Take a yarn and a yarn needle and just stitch each and every stitches of the inside circle in this manner. We will complete stitching the interior portion such that there is no opening in the central portion. Complete it fast and take out the yarn in this manner. Okay, and now we will start joining the outside circular portion in the manner I am showing you. In the same manner actually, just stitch each and every stitches together using the yarn. Now we will continue stitching like this, and slowly we will be putting a little bit of fiber fills, and then we will again continue stitching the opening. Now this pattern is really very easy. So our donut is now nearly done. Just close the opening, and when it has been closed, just weave in the loose end. Now you can use this for various purpose. I will be making a key ring out of it. So at the top we will be adding a loop. So insert the hook in any of the stitches at the top and do a slip stitch there with the white colored yarn, and then we will just do as many number of chains as we want. I am doing a total of 10 chains, and then after that we will just do a slip stitch in the same stitch where we slip stitched earlier and do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, and at the end we will just weave in the loose end. And our pattern is now complete. Finally, now we will be doing little bit of decorations. For this I have taken a small embroidery needle and a thread, and I will be stitching some beads on top of it so that it looks like real cute donuts. Finally, our cute little craft is now ready. It's really easy, fast, and a perfect gift for dear ones. I have attached the key rings to the loop, and now these are ready to be used. This is one of my favorite projects and I really enjoyed making it. I hope you liked it too. So if you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. You will get the written pattern in my website, so stay updated. Thank you and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe subscribe to my channel.